Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Instabridge apps on your Android. So welcome to the Instabridge. If you install this app as your Wi-Fi maps application and you kinda bored or annoyed because of this Instabridge always give you or always ask you to set Instabridge as a default launcher. So you can skip. So, in order to use this app, you have to set Instabridge as your default launcher or set Instabridge as your default browser. If not, you cannot use this app. So, this is a new version of Instabridge. So, if you already try now, you tap this try now button. So Instabridge as your default launcher, you cannot simply uninstall this app. So you have to install this Instabridge from the Play Store. You can tap Play Store. You can search Instabridge from here and tap uninstall. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.